Yo guys, this is the biggest, it's like a 1,700-mile storm from basically Mexico, Texas area. Dude, what is this? I'm smack in the middle of it right there, that little blue dot.
It's supposed to be raining.
I am in Bristol,
It's supposed to rain until
Hard Rock
9 p.m.
Casino.
It's gonna rain all day over here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be raining all day.
Yeah, it's gonna get sucky as I drive up.
That's not bad. It feels like it's 31, feels like 26. Actually, the temperature went up before.
Guys, look at all that ice. Literally. Okay? It is everywhere. Everywhere. And we are dumbasses driving. Yep, slippery, slippery. My truck was full of ice. Full of it. Full of it. Full of it. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. The top, the roof, everything. It actually, you know, I started driving and it got warmed up. Melted off. Not bad. Whatever's remaining out of it. The whole thing was covered. Perspective from inside the truck. Look at all that ice. The whole thing. I don't know how I'm gonna drive on it, but it seems like people have been nice. I don't know. Nice ice.